Hello, welcome to my channel Bloodshed Restorations. My name is Alex and this is my next project. As you can see, it is a very rusty, small old vise, little bench mounted vise. I have done a previous small vise restoration, but I didn't film it. So I saw this one on eBay for a few quid, thought I'd get it, and I thought I'd save it. So we'll crack on with the strip down. Well, I guess that's broken. Quite a bit. Not to worry, won't make any difference. It'll still operate just fine, I should think. So probably the best thing I can do now is I'll get the wire wheel out, give it a good going on the wire wheel, and then I think we can soak it for a few days in some white vinegar. There we go, hasn't come out too badly at all. Awful lot of dust and rust in there. What I'll be doing is I'll be dunking it in some white vinegar, as I've said already. Reason I do use white vinegar a lot is mainly because it's cheap, and so am I. But no, also you can soak it, it gets all the way into the little nooks and crannies, really gets at that rust. The only downside to it is obviously the smell. It's not very pleasant cleaning it off. Do generally give it a, once it's out of the white vinegar, give it a good rinse out in hot water with washing up liquid, give it a good scrub off, dry it off as soon as possible to stop any rust flashing off, and then give it a good wire wheeling just to get rid of all the loose and remaining bits. So that's what I do. I probably really should start getting into other types of rust removal, but it's worked for me for this long. So yeah, no manufacturer's names on it or marks on it apart from one. There's a one there and there's a one there, and there's a one there. Yeah, so no idea who it's made by. Nice little thing though. Once it's all cleaned up and painted up, it should quite happily join the rest of my things that I'll never actually ever use but collect an awful lot of. There we go. Right. And of course the other good thing about white vinegar is it does seem to last a long time. Even when it's a horrible colour, it still seems to keep on de-rusting as well. There we go, leave that for a couple of days and we'll see what it looks like after that. everything cleaned up now with acetone. Make sure there's no dirt on it prior to painting. Giving it a little bit of a filing off, as you've seen already. That is for no other reason than just to try and get rid of some of the worst of the pitting. The rest of it will just stay as is. Decided on a colour scheme, something I haven't used so far on any of my tools, simply because I haven't had any left. I used to have some, and it is the Hammerite dark green. So I'll get that painted up and we'll see what it looks like afterwards. As you can see, all the painting's now been done, and it's looking as good as it's going to get, I think. So we just give everything a quick live oiling. And this is just a comparison with my other vise that I recently restored. Should have put that on the channel, but for some reason I didn't. I don't know why. I just had one on me and decided I'm going to do it anyway. So there we go. Hope you like this restoration. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe to the channel. That would help me out so much. Thanks very much for watching. See you on the next one.